What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Eads Computer Solutions. So hold on a second. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you clicked on the video, and you're ready to hit the thumbs down button. You're upset. Listen, hold on a second. Before you hit the thumbs down button, hear me out. I want to give you 5 things that the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. But hear me out here. Watch the entire video to understand where I'm coming from. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why the Galaxy Note 9, I'm saying the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. So hear me out. Number 1, headphone jack. The Galaxy Fold doesn't come with a headphone jack. Now, as you can see, I got my headphones. I'm ready to rock out. Headphone jack. Listen, to a lot of people, headphone jacks is very important. Samsung have had headphone jacks on a lot of their premium devices for forever. And now all of a sudden, the ultra premium device does not have a headphone jack. Wait a minute, hold on, time out. The ultra premium device, the one that's going to be win all tell all, doesn't have a headphone jack. So to some people, that's a no-go, especially if you're ready to rock out with some high-end, high-impedance headphones and you want to rock out to some good music and it doesn't have a headphone jack. That's a no-go for a lot of people. So number 1, not having a headphone jack. I mean, this supposed to be the best of the best, but the Galaxy Note 9 has a headphone jack. I mean, the Galaxy Note 9 has a headphone jack, but the Galaxy Fold does not have a headphone jack. So that's number 1. Well, that's number, I got a lot of them, but I only picked 5. That's number 1. No headphone jack on the Galaxy Fold. So coming in at number 2 is SD card support. Now this is supposed to be the ultra premium device. All win all tell all. Supposed to be the best of the best. And it doesn't have expandable memory. Now y'all guys might say, well, easy, it comes with 512 gigabytes of storage. So you could get the Galaxy Note 9 at 512 gigabytes of storage, and you could get SD card support up to 1 terabyte. So in essence, the Galaxy Note 9 can be expanded out way past the ultra premium device of the Galaxy Fold. Now, here's the argument. Y'all guys might say, well, easy, who does need more than 512 gigabytes of storage? Well, hey, what if you do need it? What if you do need it? What if you want to sideload movies and music and stuff like that? What if you want to expand your horizon? The Galaxy Note 9 can do it, but the Galaxy Fold can't. So not having SD card support, I mean, it's supposed to be the ultra premium phone, tablet, ultra premium. But how could the Galaxy Note 9 can have a 512 gigabytes variant with SD card support up to 1 terabyte, but the Galaxy Fold does not? So that's number 2 of one of the reasons why the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. Wow. I mean, no SD card support. What the hell going on around here? So coming in at number 3, the reason why the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold, right? When you pull it out, it speaks for itself. Who's your daddy? Who is your daddy? Listen, the Galaxy Note 9 has the S Pen. And to me, this is a game changer. With the S Pen software, I made many videos about a whole lot of things you could do with the S Pen and the S Pen software. I mean, it's best in class when it comes down to getting work done, especially when you need to jot down notes, or you need to do annotations, or you need to do photo editing. The S Pen software is beyond being the best. And it's not on the Galaxy Fold. It's not on the ultra premium tablet phone. And listen, y'all might say, well, maybe Samsung couldn't get the welcome digitizer in a plastic display. Hey, listen, that's not my fault. But this is supposed to be the best of the best, win all, be all, the ultra premium tablet phone, the Galaxy Fold. And it don't have S Pen support. So to me, the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. Just because I can do this and I can write on a canvas and I can get work done with the S Pen and S Pen software. The Galaxy Fold don't have a pen. Oh my God, listen. I thought that when I saw this Galaxy Fold I was jumping up and down saying that I can't wait for them to pull out the pen and write on this big 7+ inch tablet with a pen, and it didn't happen. So the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold just because of the S Pen. So who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Coming in at number 4, this is a strange one. This not verified yet, but I'm gonna call it out because we done seen 2 press events about the Galaxy Fold and they didn't mention it. And that's DeX. Look, it may have DeX. I don't know, but I got to call it out. The Galaxy Note 9 has DeX. Listen, I'm in a beta program for the Linux software on DeX. When it comes down to DeX, this is strange. A lot of people don't understand this. To me, DeX is the most important thing when it comes down to getting work done. A Bluetooth keyboard and mouse with HDMI plug going into a monitor or a TV, you got almost a full-fledged PC going on. And I'm doing Linux software on DeX right now as a beta tester. And the Galaxy Fold better have DeX. If we talk about an ultra premium tablet phone, they didn't mention it. They didn't talk about DeX. Now, we know that the Galaxy S9, the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy S8 all have DeX and DeX software. Now, we know that the Linux software can only be done on the Galaxy Note 9. By them not mentioning that the Galaxy Fold doesn't have DeX, I have to call it out. That has to be, listen, that's got to be a big concern. A big concern if this device does not have DeX software built in. Now, I may be wrong, but I had to call it out until the device come out. So number 4, the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold because of DeX. So coming in at number 5 is price. Listen, you can get a Galaxy Note 9 for under $1,000 right now. I mean, for under $1,000. And some of the things I talked about in this video, to me, is so important that I would definitely stick with my Galaxy Note 9 before I buy a Galaxy Fold. Listen, the Galaxy Note 9 is under $1,000 right now. You definitely can get some good deals on it and everything in between. The Galaxy Fold costs almost $2,000. $2,000. Listen, call it how you see it. 1980, you got to add tax to it, and you talk about over $2,000 at that price point, right? So some of the things that I'm talking about in this video that the Galaxy Note 9 can do better than the Galaxy Fold. Now, I know a lot of you guys might say, well, it's innovation technology. Listen, man, I need functionality versus innovation. Just because it folds out to a tablet doesn't mean that it's innovative. Listen, I understand that it got a lot of stuff going on in this device, but I need functionality. And to me, for the price, the Galaxy Note 9 is giving me more functionality, right? It's giving me more functionality. Listen, you could save almost $1,000 or better for the Galaxy Note 9 with more functionality than the Galaxy Fold. That is strange. This is supposed to be the ultimate premium executive, best tablet, best phone on the planet for $2,000. And they don't even have some of the things that the Galaxy Note 9 has. So that's 5 reasons why the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. But a lot of y'all guys might say, well, easy, that might be 4 reasons because we may get DeX on the Galaxy Fold. Okay, so let me add one more thing. Iris scan. The Galaxy Note 9 has iris scan technology that's in the device. Now, a lot of people might say, well, it's hit and miss. It doesn't matter. It's there. So if the Galaxy Note 9 has it, while the Galaxy Fold does not have it. And even though we start to see the Galaxy S10 has removed it, it's like removing technology. We talk about upper innovation, supposed to be the best be-all, ultra premium, high-end tablet, high-end phone, and it doesn't have iris scanning technology, but the Galaxy Note 9 has it. So I think at a $2,000 price point, yes, you can add all those features on there. And I don't think it would alienate the Note lineup because the Note lineup can always be a single device like this without a Fold with all of the software and stuff in tow. But if you're going to have a foldable device, listen, give us what we want. Give us all the business functionality, the S Pen functionality, welcome digitizers on it, iris scanning. Give us the power and SD card support, everything in between. If it's going to be above $2,000, it's supposed to be the win all, be all, ultra premium tablet, no matter what, no compromises, no notches and all this stuff like that. Because at the end of the day, if you're gonna pay $2,000, it's supposed to be the best of the best. Period. better than the Galaxy Note 9, better than the Galaxy Note 10, better than the Galaxy S9. Without a doubt. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 9 is better than the Galaxy Fold. Wow. I can't wait to hear y'all guys' comments. See you guys on the next video. Peace.